One lang, no?
Yeah, one.
I believe the George see, ano, I would say, singer and singer. I feel like there's a language that I'm speaking, which he can speak as well. Not in a literal sense, pero like with perspective na kaya niya maintindihan yung perspective of others.
Para yung magka-wavelength kayo. You speak in the same wavelength.
And therefore, parang we can speak on.
Okay. Si RG na.
Kasi
hindi
ako napilitan.
Napilitan!
Pinag-usap talaga kami yung kanina. Pero si RG, kasi feel ko, kahit na anong problema yan, tatawanan lang namin yan mamaya.